Hello and welcome to Prudent News. Now a look at the headlines. No entry for Goan vehicles in markets. Karnataka and Maharashtra associations decide transportation from Belgaum to stop from Sunday. CM says won't tolerate blackmail. Congress demands rollback. Youth from Lathamvars and Bicholi allegedly abduct and molest mentally challenged girl from Mapsa. Police arrest both after father lodges complaint. Girl rescued from a passenger bus. High Court slams local authorities over rising illegal shacks. Says illegality and annual affair. Clarify who should be made responsible and accountable. Court asked state government. Taxi driver stabbed to death at Arosi. Ullas Pedneka stabs fellow taxi driver Justin DeCosta from Kepe. Justin breathes his last in GMC. Police arrest Ullas. And state celebrates Ram Navami with great fervor and devotion. Catch glimpses of religious activities from different places across the state. Now the news in detail. Karnataka and Maharashtra transporters have resorted to pressure tactics and have decided to stop Goa registered goods carrier vehicles from entering their markets. Goa government has plans to get goods from Belgaum and Kolhapur through Goan transporters. Vegetable vendors at Belgaum will stop transportation from Sunday. Meanwhile, Chief Minister has warned that state won't tolerate such a blackmail and will reply tit for tat. Horticulture Corporation has appealed Goans not to panic. However, Congress party has demanded abolition of entry tax, claiming that the tax has raised the prices of essential commodities.
पयली कोण धाडपाचो ना जाल्यार धाडूं नये पण येना म्हणून कोणें सांगलें तुका सगळे ट्रक येतात आतां कोण लॉ एंड ऑर्डर प्रॉब्लेम केलो जाल्यार दॅट इज फॉर दॅट स्टेट टू टेक केअर मायंड यू एवरी पेट्रोलियम प्रॉडक्ट मूव्स टू दी स्टेट फ्रॉम गोवा दॅर इज इट्स नॉट दॅट आमी कितें कांकणां घाले म्हणजे मेन इशू अ स्टेट वॉन्ट्स टू लेवी अ टॅक्स. Who is some transport lorry association to tell me? Just because हांव तुका सांगता मिडियान भितर जो हो विशय ज्या पद्दतीन जाला पळय that is mainly because some of them have head offices in those areas. A state आमी केन्ना महाराष्ट्रान खंयचो टॅक्स लायला हाजेर तुवें कमेंट केला. Have you written any article on that? महाराष्ट्रान प्रोफेशनल टॅक्स आहा, महाराष्ट्रान ऑक्ट्रॉय आसा, महाराष्ट्रांतले सेल टॅक्स वॅट is much higher than on petroleum product and I can decide about advertisements also tomorrow. The media has to look after interests of the state. Mandaichir diversion, Goa cannot be bullied.
Transporters from Maharashtra and Karnataka have decided not to transport essential commodities to Goa, demanding a complete rollback on entry tax. Goa government has maintained that chamber are playing political gimmicks and has decided to send its own transporters to bring in essential commodities. Transporters from Kolhapur are agitated with this stand. They have decided to ban Goa registered goods vehicle from entering their market.
आम्ही आमच्याकडे गाड्या आल्यानंतर बघू. आम्ही आमच्या कोल्हापूर जिल्ह्यामध्ये गोवा पासिंगच्या गाड्या आम्ही येऊ देणार नाहीत आणि माल भरू देणार नाही आणि आज जवळजवळ 40-50% तरी माल कमी आलेला आहे दूध तुम्हाला.
Milk distributors have cautioned that agitation of transporters may result in milk price rise.
हांगाच्यान पळय जेंचे ट्रक वता ते तेंच्यान थंय जर आडयत जाल्यार तांकां प्रॉब्लेम जातलो मागीर. तेंच्यानी आडयलें जाल्यार दूद वारणा दूद येवचें ना, भायलें दूद येवचें ना.
Federation of Karnataka State Lorry Owners and Agents Association President G.R. Shamugappa said that Goa government should resolve the issue immediately. He informed that association will not allow a single vehicle from Goa to enter Belgaum market.
देखो हमारा भाई लोग है गोवा वाला उसको गाड़ी बेच के लेकर आता है ये जो सोल्यूशन करो करके बोला तो वो छोड़ के ये ईगो में बैठ के ये लोग ऐसा काम किया तो कैसा होता है. गोवा का गाड़ी कोई भी नहीं आ सकता है. आएगा तो भी मर्चेंट वाला लोड नहीं देगा, माल नहीं देगा। सीएम नहीं सुन रहा है, वो ठीक बात नहीं है। सीएम ईगो में बैठा है, वो तो बहुत रैशली बात किया, हमको रेस्पेक्ट भी नहीं दिया, बात करने में मौका भी नहीं दिया वो दिन। वो बहुत बड़ा गलत बात है। कहाँ भी सीएम ऐसा नहीं ले देता है। ये लोग सीएम हमको बहुत बड़ा इग्नोर किया, इंसल्ट करके भेजा हमारा को। वो बहुत बड़ा गलत बात है।
Some transporters have started transferring the entry toll burden on Goan wholesale buyers. Transporters are charging extra fare to wholesalers.
त्यांच्यानी एंट्री टॅक्स भितरले, सिटी भितरले ते 300 रुपीज लावन धाडला तेंच्यांनी. कित्याक तेंच्यांनी थंय ऑलरेडी लोकल पुलीस ते सगळे नोटीस बीन दिवन घेवन आयच्यान बंद करता म्हणटात ते. म्हणजे आयज भाजी घालतले मागीर रात्रीच्यान बंद, म्हणजे फाल्यां एक दीस भाजी येतली आनी ते म्हणटले ते ट्रेनीनी आमी ट्रेनीन लोक येतले म्हणून ट्रेनीनी हाडपा दिवचे ना. खंयचे गाडी खंयचे गोंयची गाडी वतत जाल्यार ते हाडयता म्हणटात.
With the increase in vegetable prices from neighboring states, the demand for locally grown vegetables has increased. Horticulture Corporation informed that the supply of vegetables at GSHCL outlets all over Goa will continue as normal. They have requested customers not to panic over rumors spread by mischievous elements. Corporation claimed that their regular vegetable supplier and transporters are not a part of this agitation. Meanwhile, Congress party has demanded abolition of controversial entry tax. Valpai MLA Vishwajit Rane claimed that it will raise prices of essential commodities.
If it is within affordable limits, then Congress party will rethink on its stand of complete abolition of this entry tax and say that it's okay, that is within affordable limits. But if you put such a tax which is not affordable within limits of the people, then we strongly condemn it.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
Two youngsters allegedly abducted and molested a mentally challenged girl from Mapsa. Girl was abducted on 13th April as per father's complaint to Mapsa police. Police have arrested two accused from Latambar Bicholi on Friday and rescued the girl at Karaswara from a bus flying from Bicholi to Mapsa. Victim has been taken for medical examination.
Two youngsters from Latambarshe Bicholi, Pradeep Marik and Chandrasekhar Marik are arrested by Mapsa police. Both accused allegedly abducted and molested a mentally challenged girl from Mapsa. Father of the victim in his police complaint has stated that girl was missing from 13th April. Police tracked the girl through her mobile and traced her location. She was rescued from a bus flying from Bicholi to Mapsa. Girl has been taken for medical examination. Accused Pradeep Marik was arrested on Thursday. Thereafter, father of the victim lodged a complaint alleging molestation by the youth, who confined her since 13th April. Chandrasekhar Marik was nabbed on Friday. Accused are arrested under section 365, 354, 342 of IPC. Shamsundar Fatte for Prudent.
The High Court has come down heavily against local authorities for failing to control illegal checks in coastal areas. The court observed that constructing illegal checks across coastal areas has become an annual affair. The High Court has also directed the state to suggest the name of local authority who will be responsible and will be held accountable to keep a watch on the coastal area.
During the hearing of the matter related to illegal construction of shacks violating CRZ norms, the High Court came down heavily on local authorities for failing to monitor coastal areas. The bench observed that erecting illegal shacks across coastal areas has become a regular practice as illegal shacks are erected during the start of the season every year. Then somebody brings this to the notice of the local authorities. The authorities then issue a show cause notice and demolish the illegal construction by the end of the season. During this process, time passes and the businesses run illegally throughout the season. The High Court said that coastal areas need to be preserved and such illegal businesses cannot be tolerated anymore. The High Court has asked the Advocate General to suggest the name of the local authority who will be responsible to regularly monitor coastal areas. Bench observed that if local authority fails to monitor the area and any illegal construction is reported, that may lead to contempt of court charge against the local authority. The matter has been adjourned for Monday. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.